very spacious kitchen, guys, where you get two sides of massive living room. So this is going to be your room, again quite spacious. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I am going to be giving you sample flat tour of L&T Crescent Bay located in Parel. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the main gate and the actual towers. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to the main road. Before moving ahead, let me give you one introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 7 acres consisting of 6 towers. You can see all the towers from here. Tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and currently we are standing at the tower 6. So it will be having ground plus 54 floors with configuration of 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities which include swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging track and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their actual rights are. For example, you have booked a home giving an token amount, but now you want to cancel it. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? You don't know this. Secondly, let's say after possession, you get construction related issue or leakage related issue in your house, then what liability does the builder hold? We've made all of this understand in very simple and easy to understand language in this series. So before booking your home next time, go through this series. This series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in Parel with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 1.5 km, Atal Setu at a distance of 3 km, upcoming metro station line 11 at a distance of just 800 meters, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 4 BHK massive actual flat tour within carpet area of 2,600 square feet. Come, let's go. As you enter, before entering, let me first show you the entrance number 1, which is going to be directly for your servant room. Yes, you have an entrance separately dedicated for your servant room, guys. So your privacy is not disturbed. And then comes the main entrance for you. Come, let's go. As we walk ahead, this is your massive foyer area before entering the living room. And then to my right is going to be your kitchen. So this is your very spacious kitchen, guys, where you get 2 sides of parallel platform, and this is as big as a bedroom, the size of the bedroom. This is your entry number 2 for your servants area, which you saw outside. As you can see, right here where your platform is your double door refrigerator space. And then now you're coming to your massive living room. So this is going to be your living room. Just imagine, guys, there's so much of movable space. I mean, obviously, you can organize a party of 70 to 80 people in this living room very easily. I'm just moving around and showing you. There's so much of space in this living room. It's a square-shaped room, very spacious, and you have an attached balcony, a spacious attached balcony outside with an amazing view. Just see the view. This is a dream view of all the Mumbaikars. As you can see, we can directly see the Atal Setu from here and your massive balcony where you can easily have your coffee centered, you can have your plants placed over here. Amazing view, enjoy your coffee. Now come, let's go check out the other rooms. Now as you can see, I'm walking towards our other rooms. As I move ahead, this is going to be your common washroom. So this right here is going to be your spacious common washroom for your guests. And then when you come ahead comes your bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your spacious bedroom number 1. As you can see, again a lot of movable space. Again, and an amazing view outside. So you get full window, French window with an amazing view outside, as you can see. Just imagine waking up to this view every day in the morning. Right here is your attached washroom. So this is going to be your spacious attached washroom, which you are going to be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. This is going to be your closet space. So you get an attached closet space as well in this room. Just imagine the size of each room. Now let's move ahead. Now we are going to be entering your master bedroom. So as you enter, this is your foyer space. So this is going to be your foyer space, and then to your right is going to be your attached washroom, a spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And all the rooms, as you know, the carpet area is 2600, so all the rooms are going to be master bedroom. Now you have entered to your grand master bedroom. Again, the same amazing view outside, full length French windows. Just see the space in this room. Again, you get an extra space which you can design according to you. Make a walk-in closet out there, or design your space. It's your room, your space. You design according to you, whatever you want to add in over here. Now let's go to the other side of the house. So we are walking outside. Now I'm crossing the living room and walking to that side. So now I have come to our bedroom number 3. So this is going to be your room number 3. So again, a spacious room with French window attached. So this is going to be a common room. You can make this your office space, you can make your kids play area, your studio, apartment, whatever you want to use this room as. And right in front of this room you get a washroom. So you get a separate washroom for this room as well, which will be exactly parallel to your room. Now we are entering to your last bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and a sample flat video. We also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. We also give you 360-degree location tour, and all these very amazing features are available on housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Come now, let's go and check out the master bedroom. So now we are entering your very spacious master bedroom, guys. This is going to be your room. Again, quite spacious with a full wall dedicated for your window with an amazing view outside again. You're going to be getting wooden floor in this room, as you can see, because this is the actual flat. So you're going to be getting as it is shown in the video. You get an attached washroom as well. Go check out the washroom. So this is going to be your attached washroom, which you're going to be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And again, and walk-in closet area. So this is going to be your walk-in closet inside the room. So an amazing layout, a spacious house which every Mumbaiker dreams of. This can be your room. So everyone, this was your very massive actual flat tour of L&T Crescent Bay located in Parel. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.